So I'm out here at one of the city's lift stations. Just want to give you a quick little tour of how this one's set up. We got a fence all the way around the perimeter for security purposes. This giant tank is an EQ tank. It just holds the sewer as it comes in, and then gravity feeds that sewer back to the plant. Right over there you'll see is a giant blower that pulls the air out of the tank and out of the EQ basin. Right here's your air line coming down, and then it goes up here through this carbon filter, try to make the smell a little bit less noticeable. Right inside here is the underground wet well. This is where everything gravity feeds into, and from there we'll pump into the EQ basin. Inside here's the electrical room. This has all the power coming in for the pumps. We have a PLC that gives us controls over the pumps. These will turn green if the pumps are running. And here's our floats. It'll tell us which floats are tripped and which ones are not. It'll tell us if we're in transducer control. And right here we can see what our transducer is telling us. We're at 5.63 feet. And as that goes up and down, that controls the pumps currently. Behind this panel, we have a PLC that is basically a little computer, controls all the pumps and alarms that come through here. Right here is our alarm phone. It'll call out anytime there's an alarm. It'll throw a red light here telling you which zone called out the alarm, and then you know which one before you get here to be looking for problems. We'll go check out the basement real quick where the pumps are actually at. Right back here is also a giant generator that runs anytime we lose power automatically. Inside here's the basement. You can look down here. You can see there's some pumps down there. And on the other side of this wall is that wet well tank that I just showed you a minute ago. That fills up on the other side of this wall there and then feeds to the pumps, which then feed into that EQ tank like I was saying. And it's quite a bit of a distance down here. We got room here for future pumps as needed. These two are smaller, and then we have one oversized one as a backup in case something goes wrong. And that's what a lift station looks like.